Man, after months of testing the CASHVIALLI Dracco EA V1.0 MT4 on my Robo Forex demo, turning $500 into $603 with steady 20% gains on gold, I gotta say, one trader in our Telegram just shared his live run hitting plus 31% drawdown control while stacking pips through volatility, all with the same CASHVIALLI Dracco EA V1.0 MT4. I've burned accounts on sketchy bots before, but this one's different. Smart, no martingale grid that actually works. Sharing my full breakdown today, let's get into it. The download's straightforward. Zip folder named CASHVIALLI Dracco EAV 1.0 MT4. Extracts quick to show the EX4 file, set file, and simple manual. I copied the EX4 to MT4's experts, refreshed, attached the CASHVIALLI Dracco EAV 1.0 MT4 to XAUUSD M1, tweaked the set file for my risk, and it fired up trading in seconds. No crashes, no extra installs, just plug and play ease. Pulling up my FX book here, and wow, this demo on Robo Forex at 1 to 500 leverage started April 2024 with $500, now at $603.25 balance, after $103.25 profit. No withdrawals yet, but the curve's climbing smooth with plus 20.65% total gain and 3.42% monthly average. Daily ticks 0.03%, win rate 86% on longs, 273 out of 314, and 83% shorts, 198 out of 237, so about 85% overall. That's elite for gold grids without martingale blowups. Average win 6.68 pips, $0.69, losses capped at minus 25.11 pips, minus $2.75 via the CASHVIALLI Dracco EA version. 1.0 MT4's smart stops and take profits, keeping expectancy positive at 2.1 pips, $0.19 per trade. Profit factor 1.47 means $1.47 back per dollar risked. Sharp. 0.09 for steady vibes despite volatility. Z-score 99.99% against clustering. Drawdown max 31.35% relative but absolute under 1%. Risk of ruin 0.04%. Even in May's chop, it held under 15%. Net pips 1,135.5 over 551 trades. Commissions low at $17.42. Average hold 22 hours 55 minutes for those M1 scalps. September up nicely. Forecast shows $40,000 in 10 years compounding. Alright, after years manual trading gold's chaos, the CASHVIALLI Dracco EAV 1.0 MT4's no-grid risk logic feels like a safe autopilot. Consistent edges without the fear. Okay, let's go to the backtesting part. Ran the CASHVIALLI Dracco EAV 1.0 MT4 on every tick August 2025 data. Net $4,448.57 on $10,000 start. 66% win rate. Max drawdown 23.90% relative. Profit factor 1.75. Clean match to live, no overfitting. So yeah, the CASHVIALLI Dracco EA V1.0 MT4 has been my reliable gold scaler for months now. Low risk wins that add up. Grab this exact bot from our website. Description has all details and instant download. Join our Telegram group for tips and live shares too. Link below. Trade smart. See ya.